Hello, today we're gonna talk about our embedded project. My name is Omar Omar and our team is consisting of 4 members: Ahmed Shaaban, Mai Hussein, and Menna Al-Meligy and I. Our project is working on a security box where the user enters a customized password and leave it all to the system.
Let us first test the system without enabling it. If we come to open the box, nothing would light and nothing would sound. Now, the user has to enter a password. For example, let's say 4751 hash. In this way, he enabled the system. So if someone comes to open the box without entering the password, the LED would light and the buzzer would sound. And after stealing everything, if we come to close the box, the LED would still be on. Let us say the thief wants to disable the system. If he enters the wrong password, for example 478 hash, the LED is still on. But when the correct password is entered, 4751 hash, the LED would light off.
For this project, we used a keypad, a buzzer, a LED, light-dependent resistor, and 3 resistors. The switches are connected to the Arduino's input ports. Once the password is entered, the system is activated. The light-dependent sensor, or resistor, will detect light whenever the box is opened, and turns on the buzzer and LED. If the password is re-entered, the LED goes off. The buzzer and the LED are connected to the Arduino's output port. The resistors are connected to the components to load the voltage input to them.
Okay, now that we've known the components used in this project, how they were assembled together, and how the project or box actually works, let us look at the source code behind all of this. This is what actually does the work. To start, we first defined a 2D array resembling the keypad buttons, which are in the form of rows and columns. Following that, we also defined the password that the user would first enter to activate the system, and a counter with the value of 0 to indicate that the system is not enabled yet. A loop is then entered where the user enters the defined password key by key, and once the hash key is pressed, the counter is incremented and the system is enabled. During this period, if the light sensor detects any value greater than 300, an analog output is sent to the LED and buzzer, and a flag called open is set. As a result, when in this loop, open is reset back to 0, the LED will remain on until the user enters the password again, so an analog signal will be resent to switch it off.
Now, without too much cost, everyone can create a security system for their personal items. It could be used for many purposes, whether at home, at the gym, or at the office. Components are available at the market with cheap, affordable price. The code written for the project is simple and easy to implement and understand.